All right, traders, a very warm welcome. I am Devang Mehra from the Financial Analyst, and in this video, I want to give you a trading idea, a potential multi-bagger trading idea. So I want to have 10 minutes of your undivided attention. If you can do that, stay tuned, watch the video till the end because every minute I'm going to be talking about something really interesting. This is going to be a wonderful trading idea, so make sure you watch it. So as you all know it, if you are in our mentorship forums, you know I'm a follower of W.D. Gann. I think he was a legend, and I'm a practitioner of his works. And I want to read out something very, very important because what I'm going to talk about right now is about time cycles. How markets, markets don't really. It's not about technicals. Markets are not about fundamentals. There are something we call time cycles that happen again and again and again, year after year after year. That is something which people don't understand. That is something people don't know. I'm going to read something about W.D. Gann, which is given in my Word document. Right. So see what he said. He was such a legend. If you don't know who is W.D. Gann, make sure you search about him. And W.D. Gann said that every movement in the market is a result of natural law, and a cause exists long before the effect takes place. And this can be determined years in advance. The future is but a repetition of the past. And that is what I tell every one of our clients, that try to understand the charts. What has happened in the past will happen in the future, year after year after year. And I'm going to prove that to you right now. So make sure you watch this because I will be sharing an idea that you can do this Monday, December 21st, 2020. He said that there must always be a major and a minor, greater and a lesser, a positive and a negative. In order to be accurate in forecasting the future, you must know the major cycles. The most money is made when the fast moves and extreme fluctuations occur at the end of time cycles. So I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to tell you. You can see the fast moves and extreme fluctuations happening in Nifty right now. And he said that I've experimented and compared past markets in order to locate the major and minor cycles and determine what years in the cycles repeat in the future. So, first of all, the works of W.D. Gann is complicated. You will have to read it tons and tons and tons of time to understand what he was saying. But he had a lot of time cycles, 30-year cycles, 20-year, 15, 10, weekly, etc. But I'm going to share an idea with you that generated in my mind, and it has been following for the last 20 years or 25 years in the market, and I will prove it out to you. Again, I want to put out the disclaimer: I am not God. I have the right to be wrong. I reserve the right to be wrong. This is what I will be doing in the market, and that is what TFA is all about. We disclose to you everything that we are doing. That's the transparency that we are offering in our team. If we go wrong, we'll accept the defeat. But if we go right, we are going to make some good money, and all of you will be witness because the video is going to be live from today. 21st December. Note down this date in your calendars for future reference. 21st December marks the top and bottom in the market year after year after year. Why does this happen? There are astrological cycles. I am not a believer of astrology. Please don't take me wrong, but it's not what I believe. It's what markets function on. Markets move on particular cycles, and time cycle and seasonal cycles keep on starting and ending at a particular date. If you see the dates of 23rd March, this is the equinox. 21st June, 23rd September, and 21st December. These are 4 dates that you have to keep in your mind forever from today. You can see 23rd March, you can compare the data. Go back 10 years, go back 20 years. You will see 23rd March will give you tops and bottoms in the market. You will be surprised to know that coronavirus crash ended on 23rd March. This is your equinox. 23rd September is another equinox, and this is another area which marks tops and bottoms. Go check it out. I'm not going to waste my time on this because the date is gone. 23rd September in the Indian markets was at this time. You can see how the major bottom was made in the market and what the rally continued. The second date is 21st of June. And finally, we have 21st of December, which is day after tomorrow if you're watching it today live with me. So let's start to understand what is the significance of 21st December. So what I will be doing is I will be showing you the data of the last 15 to 20 years, showing you how 21st December plays. When I've discussed that, then we'll go and discuss what you can do on 21st December. Okay, let's start. So 21st December, let's take 2019. You saw a beautiful rally in 2019, and on 21st December, you can see a top of 12,303 made, and you can see after that top, there was a huge correction. That top was never broken convincingly. This is the significance of 21st December after a rally marking the top in the market. Keep noting it down because you are going to be surprised what I'm going to be showing you. 21st December 2018. 21st December 2018, see what happened. Markets went up, they made a top on the market, they made a top, and after that, they corrected from 10,935 all the way down to 10,462. 500-point correction after 21st December. How the seasonal cycles are changing, markets react. Let's go back. This was a failed top. This would be 2 out of the 20 years I'll be showing you, which is a failed top. Markets gave a top on 21st December, but failed. Might happen on this 21st, 2020. I don't know. But we will keep the options open. Let's go back. Right. I'll just minimize the video so I can do auto scale on the screen. Yeah, I hope you can see me. Okay. So this is the next 21st December 2016. You can see what happened. Markets, after a huge downtrend from 8900s, went down to here December to 7800 levels. You can see the bottom that has been made on 21st of December. Markets rallied. The bottom was never broken. Let's go back. 2016, markets gave you a good top, and after this you can see this was somewhere around over here 7892, and after this markets gave you a big downtrend. Please note the date can be +1 -1 because the dates keep on changing depending upon the cyclical years that continue. So it can be between 21st and 23rd December. Let's go back. This is 2014. You can see the accuracy what's happening. Just 1 year out of the last 6 years. This is another example. This is 2014. After a major downtrend, 8600 levels all the way to 8000 levels, market gave you a bottom on 21st December of 8000. It was never broken again. You got a high of 9000 levels. That's a good 1000-point rally from 21st December lows. Let's go forward. This is the date of 2013, 21st December 2013. Markets gave you an intermediate top of 6,300 rupees. And after that, it never broke that top and it fell all the way to 5,900. That's a good 400-point correction. And in that time, that's about 8% on Nifty, which is a big fall. Let's go back. 2012. This was another failed top, I would say. Nothing really happened here. 21st December. Yeah, nothing really happened here. Not really concerned. You could consider it as a bottom and markets boomed up. It was never broken again, but it's up to you how you want to interpret it. This is another date, 2011. 2011, 21st December, after a huge downtrend, markets made a bottom and they started going up. You can see what I'm trying to get at. 21st December, markets make extreme tops and extreme bottoms that they don't really want to break so easily. And you can also see on these dates, the RSIs are quite at extreme levels. At this point of time, RSI was below. It was around 28 levels. You can see what I'm trying to get at. You know, you might say that we are basically showing you fabricated dates. It failed in 2011. 2010, before the housing crash that happened, you can see a major top was made. I'll hurry it up. 2008, when the economic crisis happened, Lehman Brothers, you can see 21st December was held true, 3116 levels. It fell down to 2488 levels. See the accuracy I'm going to talk about right now. Another bottom was made here, 21st December 2007. You know what? Let's forget about the last 20 years. Let's go back. Let's go way back when the stock market charts actually started. Will I surprise you then? You can see this 2001, 21st December 2001. Markets made a bottom of 1,000 rupees, and after that they rallied all the way to 1,200 rupees. Let's go back to 1990s. 1998, markets made a top of 21st December. They gave you a top of 1,089 points, and then they fell down 939 points. You can see what I'm talking about. Finally, 1996, 21st December, market made a low of 805. After that, they rallied about 250 points. Finally, see, the charts are not even applicable there. It's not even available. I'm showing you the first date possible. This is 21st December 1995. Markets gave you a top, and after that, you can see exactly 21st December was the top, and after that, they fell from 920 all the way to 800. I hope I'm telling you the gravity of the subject I'm going to talk about for the next 2 minutes. So I need your undivided attention. So I've already proved it out to you. Every 21st December is a major top or a major bottom in the Indian market. It will apply to the worldwide markets. The dates will differ by 1 or 2 points. I've made that point clear. Now let's move on. So first of all, if you hear this concept from anyone else, you know where they've got it from. So I just want to put it out to you. This is the content of the financial analyst, and I assure you, you will not hear this from anyone else in the market on the YouTube platform. So now currently, see what is happening. Another very extreme thing that I'm seeing is the RSI is at 80. Most of you are aware of RSI. RSI is above 80. The closing is currently 80.86. And I personally haven't seen RSI at these levels for a very, very long time, probably 2 or 3 times in the last 5 years. Because RSI generally around 70, 75 takes a rebound back, goes back to the oversold zone. And that's what happens below also. RSI above 80, it's extremely bullish, at the same time, extremely overbought. So I would like to see what the data is going to come in today. I will give you a commentary on the data that's going to come in today. But the trading idea I want to give you all, I want you to try on 21st December. Today is 17th December. Tomorrow is Friday, 18th December. Monday is 21st December. So what I will be personally doing, sorry about that. What I will be personally doing is I will be buying a short in the market. There is no signal as of now to go short in the market. There is no signal on the charts. There is no signal on the fundamentals. Everything is rosy. But I personally will be taking a short in the market. This is my own trade. I am not asking anyone to copy my trade. This is my analysis. I will be holding it. I'm going to do this in the live market. I'll show you. I also on YouTube, by the way, on YouTube, we have already mentioned this. You see the content, the community section. I've already asked you to do this. So we all told you all on YouTube to do this. We all told you to buy 21st March 13,000 put option. I told you all today at about 1 o'clock at 205. You can all see that. We will be tracking where it goes, but we believe it is the potential top of Nifty being formed on 21st July. And we believe that markets can go down from here. That is what we believe at TFA. My personal views. And if you want to take the risk, you can also try with 13,500 March puts. This is currently trading at 378. That's another very important point. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is, first of all, who should take this? First of all, please do your own assessment, do your own analysis. I don't want you to do a copy trade just because I am saying it. I want you to look at your own risk, look at your own reward, and consult your financial advisors. That's point number one. Number two, you should take this if you have that adequate capital, if you don't have liquidity constraints. What I mean by that is, if you are a student having a capital of 20K, doesn't mean you take this. The reason is we will be holding this for a long time, for about 1 or 2 months, because it's a March expiry. I am not going to hold it for the next 5-6 days. If the fall comes, good enough for me. Why we are buying a March expiry is because we want time in our hand. Looking at the current market, every single day is a sideways market. So we don't know when the correction will start, because generally the rule in the market is very simple. Whenever the breakouts are happening, markets try to come and retest them. Whether they do it in the next day or they do it after 1 year, they generally will give you a retest. So currently that retest hasn't happened. So we don't know when that will happen, but we are just trying to forecast that it will happen in the future starting from 21 December. So if you have a capital of, let's say, 1 lakh rupees, you can try to put some capital into this. It will cost 16,000. If you take this one, it will cost about 28,000. It totally depends upon your risk. But currently, I'm not giving any stop loss. Targets will be minimum 100%. This is my trading idea. What I'll particularly be doing, I'll be personally buying about 450 quantities. I'll be buying 225 quantities of 13,000 put and 225 quantities of 13,500 put. This is what I'm doing. I hope you found this useful. You probably will not agree with me. You might be bullish. I have no doubt to that. And we have to take every day by itself. But this trading idea will also hedge my portfolios, in the sense that if you have a long-term portfolio, and things are going bullish right now. But when the markets are correcting, let's say after 15 20 days, let's say the correction starts, your portfolio will start to go down, but this put is going to hedge your position since it's a long term put. So I am not taking February, I am not taking January, I will be going with 21st March. If you have any questions, put it on YouTube, or you can message us on Instagram, or give us a call. We'll help you out. That's it for now, guys. I hope you found it useful. Do like this video if you liked it, comment on this video and share it with your friends so that everyone can benefit. I would be going for a return of 100%. SL will be defined in the next course of coming days, and it's on our YouTube community. We have given a community post, if you all see it, that 13,000 put option of March 2021 CMP 205 can be a multi-bagger. That's it for now, guys. I will see you in the evening for the data analysis. Thank you.